Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Today we're back at Lexus IS. Take your Lexus IS200. Did it interior only last week with the outside rod, but today we're going to do the exterior only. We got done doing a clay bar decontamination of the exterior of the paint. What a clay bar does, clay bar removes all the contaminants from the environment, off the exterior of the paint. It gets it back to the actual smooth it's supposed to be. After this, we're going to go inside. We're going to do a one-step polish enhancement. And after that, we're going to apply the graphene sealant. Okay, for example, I'm going to show you guys something. We also use a clay mint and we use a clay bar, but sometimes the clay mint might do something like this. The clay mint might wear a little bit and it gets on the car. All you have to do to take it off is use a little bit of rubber alcohol. Probably the safest thing to use. Gone. Now we're using our yellow Rupus foam polishing pads with 3D speed, true one-step correction blades, polish and protect with a high gloss finish. Quick tip, on some of my pads, my polishing pads and my cutting pads, I do use spray wax. Spray it on there a couple times, and also I apply my compound on my polishes. It makes it last longer over the car, over the good. Got that wrapped up with Lexus IS200. Did a headlight restoration, did a clay bar decontamination, and we also did a paint enhancement. Then we applied a graphene sealant. Thanks for tuning in and watching this. Peace out. How you doing?